let me see it, Jaden. Let me see you ride your bike.
Okay.
Let's go. First time without your training wheels. Go. It's okay. Go ahead. Woo! Good job. Good job, Jaden. Good job, buddy. Look at you go. Okay, come back this way. Good job, bud. You could do it the whole time, huh? Look at that, no training wheels. Good job, Jaden. You can. Oh.
I got hurt. I'm okay.
All right. Okay.
Mommy, I want water.
I'm recording you on video camera.
Mommy,
Look at him go.
I want water.
Okay, hold on, buddy.